SD to AZ, Y-Town crazy. I can't sleep lately, I'm writing lyrics daily. I think that music saved me, got one chance, and for me it's just a maybe. San Diego's where I'm from, built straight, born and raised. Yeah, I had my good times and I had my bad days. I wasn't like this, I was going different ways, cause the parents split up and they had me in a daze. They had me all confused, didn't know what to do, and I had no signs and I had no clues. Thought it was my fault and I didn't want to lose. My mom packed up my clothes and then we had to move. Had to say goodbye to my friends, had to say goodbye to my dad. Didn't know what to think, but yeah, I was really sad. Looking back at my life, thinking what I would've had. Never being good, I was always being bad, cause I didn't really care and it didn't really matter. Like my life fell down and it was all about a shadow, but I still kept going just to see what's ahead. Didn't wanna go to sleep, just thinking in my bed. Always went to different schools, never stayed at just one. Never stayed with friends and I never had fun. Always wanted to pack my bags and then start a run, but I never could do it cause I didn't have the guts. And I always told myself that my life just sucked, but I never gave up. Always stayed with some hope, I never let go. Always stayed on the rope until one day when we moved far away, about 200 miles away from SD. As soon as we passed the mountains and I couldn't see, wonder where I'm going and I wonder where I'll be. Got to the spot, said Yuma AZ. I come from the SD to AZ, Y-Town crazy. I can't sleep lately, I'm writing lyrics daily. I think that music saved me, got one chance and for me it's just a maybe. Now I'm living in this place and it's called Y-Town. Before I came here I was new to the ground, didn't wanna even talk, didn't wanna make a sound, but I had to do something cause I was going to stick around. And I had these 3 friends doing better than I was. Always wanted to get high, always wanted to get buzzed. That's where my life was headed and yet that's how it was. Didn't wanna do that, just wanna stay clean, so I stayed at home. Didn't wanna be seen and I made new friends, just try to do right, forget about the stuff, leave it out of my sight. I was always gone and I never stayed home, always doing different things. When people called me on the phone, started going everywhere, just using only my bike. Looking around town, looking at the different sights. Always going with my friends, riding around at night. I got carried away, then I learned how to write with my spray can in my hand. Every hours of the night, started cross people out, didn't know they wanna fight. You could say that it was fun, yup, only for a while. When you make up your own letters and you make up your own style. Yeah, I have my own crew, but you don't need an own crew. Just say that they're still out there doing what they gotta do. Write it up on them streets, riding through them avenues. I stepped up on my crew and I started writing lyrics. I want my voice up out there and I want you all to hear it. Hear it, hear it, hear it. I come from the SD to AZ, Y-Town crazy. I can't sleep lately, I'm writing lyrics daily. I think that music saved me, got one chance and for me it's just a maybe. I come from the SD to AZ, Y-Town crazy. I can't sleep lately, I'm writing lyrics daily. I think that music saved me, got one chance and for me it's just a maybe. When the rain comes down, it's like drip drop again. When I come into town, people say there ain't no stopping. If you best go inside before things start happening, and people start laughing cause they don't know what to say. And all I gotta say is just another rainy day, another rainy day, just another rainy day. When the rain comes down, it's like drip drop again. When I come into town, people say there ain't no stopping. And you best go inside before things start happening, and people start laughing cause they don't know what to say. And all I gotta say is just another rainy day, another rainy day, just another rainy day. When the clouds come in, that's when I come back. When they turn all gray and they start looking black, and I'm only in my mode, that's when I start to react. When I come up in your town and there's no looking back, I'll be causing all the lightning that be making all the cracks. You be hearing all the thunder when I'm spitting all the facts. And my rain don't come and drop it till they come and miss some facts. What I do up in your town, people won't be able to relax. When you see them drip drops and they start to hit your feet, people start running, they be yelling all up on your street, cause they know I'm in your town and they know I'm all around. They say there ain't no stopping them, it's always making sounds. When the rain keeps pouring and it always hits the ground, they be always looking up, they be never looking down. It's all for a reason and it's never for some fun. And when the rain comes down, they always start to run. They always gonna be running cause I'm never gonna be done. And there's always gonna be clouds cause there's never gonna be sun. And I'ma always keep on coming and you're always gonna be stunning. I'm sometimes coming night and I sometimes coming day, but when I come up in your town, then I just wanna play. But you always keep on running and you're never gonna stop. Yep, you're always gonna do that, that's exactly what I thought. So you better keep on running cause you fell another job. Here comes the lightning, and here comes the rain. The rain that's always coming, that will always bring you pain. I guess they're gonna be running for the rest of their lives. They all going crazy like a bee up in the hive. And that's what happens when I come up in your city. You're living life in fear, and you're living it in pity. So you better hope and pray that I'm not going there to stay. Cause the people that are running started turning into clay, and they don't know what to say. All I gotta say is just another rainy day. When the rain comes down, it's like drip drop again. When I come into town, people say there ain't no stopping, and you best go inside before things start happening. And people start laughing cause they don't know what to say. And all I gotta say is just another rainy day. Another rainy day, just another rainy day. When the rain comes down, it's like drip drop again. When I come into town, people say there ain't no stopping, and you best go inside before things start happening. And people start laughing cause they don't know what to say. And all I gotta say is just another rainy day. Another rainy day, just another rainy day.